Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I'm here with my pups to show you this amazing, customizable dog mom sweatshirt. This sweatshirt from Up2ournecksinfabric is so comfy and cozy and customizable to put your pups' names right on the sleeve. I think this is a super high quality sweatshirt. I love the way that the decals are ironed on. They are gonna last for so long. I have my sweatshirt in a size large. I would say it's definitely true to size, but it is meant to be a nice oversized, cozy crew neck. I know this is just gonna be one of those sweatshirts I'm gonna have for years and years, and it's always going to be so near and dear to my heart. My two pups are my absolute world, and I love that I get to walk around with their names on my sleeve. I think it is just so special. It makes such an amazing gift for someone you love, or to treat yourself and carry your babies around with you everywhere. If you're looking for a unique way to show off how much you love your pups, then get this sweatshirt from Up2ournecksinfabric. You are going to be so in love with it, and that is my point of view.